Hello guys, today we are gonna make stickers. Let's begin. Things you're gonna need. A drawing. A drawing means any drawing from which you're gonna make a sticker. Like here I drew some stars. A transparent sellotape which is going to give the stickers that sticker shine. This is the tissue double tape. It's the double tape and it's very thin, which is really suitable for making our stickers. And of course, all the coloring media to color your stickers and give them the colors. A wax paper. Firstly, I'm gonna start by coloring these stars. And done! You can see they're looking really cute and I know you can do it much better. So we're gonna move on. And yeah, I've made the stickers a bit tiny because I like tiny and cute stickers. Again, let's move on. So now we're gonna stick the clear, transparent sticky tape onto the stickers. I just made some space for you, sticking it. I'm taking a lot of time removing the sticky tape. Finally I did it, and now just do it as like it. Do the same with the whole paper. Alright, now we're halfway through. Now we're gonna move on and start with grabbing our double tape. Now this double tape is gonna actually make that paper a sticker. Keep watching. Now flip the paper and stick the double tape on the other side. Alright, now we've coated the double tape from the back side and the clear tape from the front side. And now we should move on with the cutting process. Make sure to cut it really well and make all the edges smooth. So it's gonna look really, really good. Trust me. You know what? I'm just gonna skip this cutting process for you. 3, 2, 1, and boom! Wow, these are looking so good, better than before, and we're almost done. Almost done. Only one thing is left is to stick all the stickers onto the wax paper now. Yeah, you're gonna do that anyways because peeling off the stickers and then sticking them on again is so satisfying. Keep watching. Now here I'm not doing nothing but taking this paper tape, and yeah, it's gonna make it sturdy and a little strong, so it doesn't damage so easily, and it's gonna look beautiful again. Now you can just cut the excess so it'll look like this. And finally the fun part has come. Peel off the stickers and stick it on the wax paper. I'm now peeling off the favorite sticker among these 5, the kissy one. Yeah, I'm gonna peel it and stick it. and stick. Voila! You're only 4 stickers away to complete your complete wax. So pick 1, 2, 3 and 4. And now this is ready to be given to your friends, your best friends. And these stickers are so beautiful that they're gonna love it as much as you do. I honestly enjoy making these stickers because I have got everything I need, and secondly, I just love making miniature things. Even I love playing Barbies. So, do make sure to try it at home. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.